All right, guys, we're in Monaco. We're gonna check this place out. I'll leave a link below. All right, the video. It's the specials here. Go ahead and pause at any point. We have the French and English. All right, I went with the rolled chicken. It's got a white wine sauce on it. Nicole went with the poke bowl with fresh veggies, no fish though, and some Provence rosés. Let's dig in, let's see how this goes. All right, let's go over it. So, you got the ham, you got the cheese, you got the rolled chicken. This is a form of ratatouille. Oh, this dish is really good. Marsala sauce is really nice and light. Fantastic. All right, guys, that place. Oh boy, one of the best meals I've had in a long time. All right, but we're gonna go check out the cathedral here and then go check out some of the F1 sites. But we'll leave you with that if you're here. It's a busy, busy, busy tourist place. We're in the old town part up above where everyone knows Monaco. But really beautiful place, definitely recommend. But check that place out. The actual little fries on the side were actually chickpea French fries, which one of the best I've ever had. So I would recommend that place, definitely. All right, guys, for my little co-pilot over here, and we'll see you later.